Good day, I am Kim Ivan G. Velandres, and today we will discuss linear programming. Linear programming is a mathematical technique used to optimize a linear objective function, subject to a set of linear constraints. It is a method used to find the best solution to a problem, such as minimizing or maximizing a quantity, while satisfying a set of constraints. The linear programming problem can be expressed in the form of a linear objective function, which is a linear combination of variables to be optimized, and linear constraints, which represents restrictions on the values of the variables. The variables are typically non-negative, and the objective functions and constraints are usually expressed in terms of inequalities or equalities. A standard form of a linear programming problem is f of x equals x plus y or f of x equals x minus y. To solve, first we must identify the objective function, which in our case is f of x equals 2x plus y. Next is to identify if the problem is maximization. In our problem, it is a maximization problem, and we are tasked to find the maximized profit. Next is to graph the constraints and find the feasible solution, which is the intersection or the shaded or the overlapping region common to all conditions. If you will do this on your own, it would be better to graph the constraints with the help of Desmos. Find the intersections, which are 0, 0, 0, 6, 5, 1, 4, 0 in the problem. Next is to plug the intersections you have found into the objective function formula and solve. After solving, you will now be able to find the maximization or minimization. In our case is 5, 1, because it generates a profit of 11 pesos, higher than the other generated profits.